How y'all doing? It's Craig with Greenfiber. This is our demo truck that has a CM 3500 cool machine in it. So XL, which is like a turbo shredder in there, I guess is what it is. It's got equipped with vacuum hose, 4-inch, I think 150 feet, 150 feet of 3-inch wall spray hose with a 2.5-inch whip. This is pretty much self-sustainable, you know, it has everything you need. It's got the scrubbers there, 2 wall scrubbers, and one of those is a closet scrubber. It's a smaller pump, high pressure water line. Here, pretty handy. Comes out like that. Oh, cool. That way, you know, you don't burn the trailer down when you're running all day.
Yeah.
But
ain't that fancy?
Yeah, it's nice. And I mean, it runs the whole thing on electric, which is, there's a main switch right here, and so all that machinery is run on, I think it's, yeah, 80, that's 80 amps. So yeah. And then of course all the wrap, you know, it looks really, really good going down the road for sure. Like NASCAR almost.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll do the trick, you know. You can do wall spray, retrofit, attics, pretty much everything that's in here. You can do it when it comes to cellulose insulation. Yeah. That right there, when you're vacuuming, all of the material dropping into the reclaim gate, any dust that is in there comes through here and it goes into this filter, and it's basically a giant dust sock, and it collects all that dust and then runs right back through out the blow hose, and minimizes the guy loading the hopper in here a lot. Actually, it's not very bad at all. So that's a good little feature. And they also have this thing here that I've never seen before. It's a silencer. It helps to silence this motor when it's running. And then there's a filter right here, the fresh air intake. That's a fresh air intake, and there's a positive displacement blower. So it's not electric blower on this thing. So you could get the electric blowers, I think, with these cools, but this one has a PD blower on it. And then here's the bleed off, so it's powerful enough, you know, where if you're doing like retrofit and you don't want to blow the sheetrock off the wall, you know, you can open that sucker up. I only crank it a little bit the last few times I've done the dense packing, but 125 gallon water tank, and so not huge, but it can spray a whole house, you know, easily. Basically, the reality is we can come out with this thing to any contractor that's trying to branch out into wall spray, or just wants to learn about cellulose and try to expand his business. You know, we got this, and for that purpose, mainly so that we can spread the news about cellulose, because it's underrated, and it's a product that's in my opinion the best insulation you can use, you know, per what it costs to put in. And every day I talk to someone, and I ask what I do, and I tell them I work for an insulation manufacturer, and I say cellulose, and they're like, what is that? And most people don't know, you know, unless you know, unless you're in the industry. So it's a shame, because it's great. It's great as far as the environment goes as well.
Yeah.
You know,
if you want to go green Fiber.
Yeah, go green, exactly.